how to use Starlight Essence in Archero 2. So if you get Starlight Essence, it's basically for the talents that of course require the Starlight Essence. So to upgrade your core talents at the bottom of your skill tree. So it is possible to get there. Now you get more than enough crystals from the second week, and you need to spend the amount of crystals the game tells you in the previous category to unlock the next one in the skill tree. So you max out your main active talent, you put 1 or 2 points in the second active, and only put the barest amount of points in trigger talents to unlock the enhanced category. You put points into the enhanced talents until you unlock core talents, and then basically you choose what you're able to do in core. So allot any remaining crystals you have left in the trigger or enhanced talents or your secondary active. So the core talents are capstone skills that drastically improve your DPS, so of course you'd rather want to prioritize them other than trigger and enhanced talents. But that's pretty much where you can use Starlight Essence, and basically how to use them. It's basically just an upgrade material. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.